Sans respect pour moi. Sans respect. Et nous même foutu tête moi. Papa faire ça sortir dans roche. Sans foutu là.
Toute bagarre sont Jeff. On a parlé Jeff. Jeff.
Ou jouez bien vrai? Ou dans le monde, ou pas le monde, quoi? Gros discussion faite, moi même avant.
But Jeff is not the problem. I'm not with Jeff. Me and Jeff are friends.
Le problème, c'est parce que pendant que j'ai problème avant, nos discussions avant, on monte New York ici. Voilà en fait.
Non, parce que ou t'as accusé, le malin comme on dit, t'appelles, pas t'appelles. C'est où t'as accusé. Où t'es là, l'aime d'après qu'on avec là?
Comment avec? Parce que des fous dans sortir avec. Boucher comme une balle là.
Wow.
Vous faut respecter.
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Qu'est-ce qui était là? Qu'est-ce qui était où ça? Non, mais qu'est-ce qui dit à ça?
N'importe la sortie réfléchir sur le respect pour moi. Sur le respect pour Chaba.
Okay, but let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be. Let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. Yeah, but if it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. But this, I know you. It's been 14 years. I don't respect you still. Like you didn't used to fuck on me. You act like you a saint. You act like you innocent. You're not innocent. Are you innocent? Okay. But I wasn't with you when I was with Jeff. We weren't together no more. Yeah, but me and you weren't together. You was the one going around telling people you left me. Look how Saturday Mito see me. Mito said, oh, Chaba said he was done with you. Chaba said he was finished with you. But you was telling people you were done. Okay, but if I was with Jeff, I wasn't with you. I could have done everything I wanted to do. That's what I was telling you the whole time. Wow. You still don't want to allow that we weren't together. We wasn't sleeping. We wasn't sleeping. For Jeff? So why don't you just leave me alone, Chaba? Why don't you just leave me alone if it's a problem? Who told you I went to New York with Jeff? That's what who said I went to New York with Jeff? That's what you said. I'm repeating what you said. You said I went to the communion with him. I didn't go to the communion with Jeff. Jeff was already at the communion. Those are your people that were saying that. They don't give a fuck about you. But they don't care about you. They don't care. But they don't care about you. They don't care about you. They don't give a fuck about you.